Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. This is one of the best machines I like when it comes to calibration here, and it gives a decent shot. So when I test the machine, I found out the machine was leaking from behind the spout here, and it was also leaking inside the drip tray from behind. So I just did a tune-up for that machine. I descaled it, deep clean it, lubricate all the moving parts in there, and I took off that spout, deep clean it too. It was clogged like all the way, and replace this the brew unit there, this infuser, and this gasket for the top part of the generator. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shut on. So I did it now on calibration. It's on here, in between the minimum and the half of the cup, and on the max grind. So let's see what we have. See if we're gonna have a good shot. This is great shot coming from this DeLonghi Prima with like 3 layers of coffee, which is great when it comes to this DeLonghi. And in the time we're not using the best beans, so let's test the hot water. That works perfect, and the steamer needs to get ready. Do it again. It's working perfect, so everything functioning perfect on this machine. Thank you for watching.